Hello, I am James Bennett. Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence truly works? How does AI learn, and how is data used for training? No matter your experience with tools like ChatGPT or Gen AI, understanding the fundamental concepts behind AI can be challenging. But here's the good news. Dr. Jignesh Makwana, an expert in electrical engineering and AI, presents the fundamentals of artificial neural networks with MATLAB, a course designed to make these concepts easy and accessible to everyone. Whether you're a curious beginner eager to understand the mathematics behind artificial neural networks, or an experienced engineer looking to develop your own AI applications in MATLAB, this course has something for you. It's simple enough for school students to grasp the basics, yet advanced enough for professionals and researchers to apply these concepts in real-world projects and even publish research papers. Here's why you should enroll. Comprehensive learning. Understand AI from scratch, including the training algorithms and mathematical foundations. Hands-on experience. Build your own AI applications in MATLAB for various use cases. Lifetime access. Get unlimited access with a one-time payment. Risk-free enrollment. Enjoy a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee. Don't wait to uncover the fascinating world of AI. Empower yourself with the knowledge to see what's happening behind the scenes of artificial intelligence. Enroll today and take your first step toward mastering AI.